Hello. Welcome to PHC Raldin video. Today, we are going to solve a problem. Why does the Surfalert trick is not working? Have you been experienced that Softether and SkyVPN are not working anymore on Globe's Surfalert trick? Let's answer this question. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe or like this video if it helped. Number 1 explanation. The Globe detected the trick users that they accessed the internet without promo. Something fishy about that 10 GB without promo. Have you been checked that if you connect to internet with Surfalert trick and consume 10 GB of data, your SIM will be disconnected to the data network and it don't access you to internet anymore? Well, this is called blocking. If you abuse the trick and access 10 grams B or higher of data, then the Globe will investigate you. If Globe found that you do not have a proper or legit data and you have highly consumed, it will block your SIM from accessing the internet forever. Yes, it's true you will not access the internet forever. But we all know Filipinos have a brilliant brain. They buy new SIM and use it carefully. If you have tried this one, then like this video. Number 2 explanation. The Globe maybe fixed their access address or access port and it will not working anymore with Surfalert trick. Try to check this one. Try to load at least 20 pesos and then activate your Surfalert. Then connect your SkyVPN. At first, it will connect, and then if you consumed 15 megabytes of data or at a minute, it will disconnect. It is called fast fix. The server automatically fixes the user if it accessed the web name server without the proper browser. It do not have any trick to bypass anymore with this situation. If you see one, then it may be fake or not working anymore. So don't force yourself to fix this problem, it will only make you upset. Share it to your friend, relatives and family. Like this video. Subscribe this video. And help us grow. Once again, thank you for watching. This is PHC Raldin and goodbye.